The 2026 Kia camper van marks Kia's ambitious entry into the compact adventure van segment, blending familiar van practicality with modern camper functionality. Based on Kia's modular van platform, this model feels far more like a versatile MPV fitted for travel life than a bulky traditional motorhome, and that's one of its biggest appeals. In everyday driving, it behaves like a regular van, easy to maneuver in city streets or tight campground spaces, yet inside there's a cleverly optimized living area that offers genuine utility for weekend trips or extended journeys. Out on the road, visibility is good and the short front overhang helps with tight turns and parking. Unlike larger RVs that intimidate on narrow roads, the camper van feels manageable and predictable behind the wheel. This makes it accessible for buyers new to van life who aren't excited about learning to drive huge recreational vehicles. Kia's choice to keep it compact also means fuel and charging infrastructure is easier to access, translating to lower operating costs compared with Class C motorhomes. The exterior design is simple but purposeful, with clean modern lines, LED lighting, and practical features like large sliding doors and ample windows that maximize natural light. Roof options, including pop-up configurations, increase headroom and add sleeping space without making the van feel top-heavy. Optional roof rails and rugged styling cues hint at light adventure capability, though serious off-roading isn't the target here. Inside, the modular living space is the real highlight. Kia has engineered a flexible layout that supports multiple configurations: lounge, sleep, work, or dine, by using foldable and swivel seating alongside modular storage solutions. The kitchen area, compact but functional, includes an induction cooktop, small fridge or cooler, and cleverly arranged countertop space that makes meal prep on the road far less of a hassle than in many competitors. The sleeping arrangements are equally thoughtful. A fold-flat rear bench transforms into a sleeping platform for two, and with the optional pop-up roof, you can accommodate up to 4 people. Large windows and thoughtful interior lighting contribute to a cozy atmosphere at night, and soft-touch materials and insulated panels help reduce noise and improve comfort during long stays. Infotainment and tech are strong points for the 2026 camper van. A large central touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto keeps navigation, media, and vehicle systems intuitive and up-to-date. Kia's digital cockpit and connectivity suite help orient drivers efficiently, and optional connectivity features such as onboard Wi-Fi and over-the-air updates make tech feel modern even on remote trips. Practical power options give buyers flexibility depending on how and where they plan to travel. Some markets see gasoline and hybrid setups for traditional touring, while others get fully electric versions with respectable range. The electric variants promise quiet campsite arrivals and lower per-mile costs, though real-world range can vary with load and driving style, so planning charges around trip itineraries remains important. Driving dynamics are predictable and van-like, with light steering and a stable ride that's well-suited for urban driving and highway cruising alike. Heavier loads and high winds can temper acceleration and range, especially on electric versions, but the trade-offs are generally acceptable given the vehicle's intended lifestyle use. Storage and organization thoughtfully consider camper needs. Under-bed compartments, side shelves, and modular cabinets keep gear stowed without cluttering living space, and roof rack options add further capacity for bikes, kayaks, or cargo. Boxes. Practical touches like these elevate the usability of the van for active outdoor enthusiasts. Safety and driver assist features are generous for a vehicle in this segment, with standard systems aimed at reducing fatigue and improving confidence on long stretches. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras are available on many trims, adding peace of mind on highways where monotony and blind spots can otherwise be draining. Noise control and cabin insulation are noticeably better than many older camper conversions, though some wind buffeting at highway speeds remains a minor distraction. Inside, materials are durable and practical, designed to withstand outdoor use and easy cleaning after muddy boots or spills. One of the most compelling aspects is the price point relative to feature set. Early reports suggest that Kia has positioned the camper van attractively against larger, more expensive RVs, delivering a package that feels well priced given its technology, comfort, and capability. This could appeal to younger buyers or first-time camper van owners who want quality without overextending their budget. That said, some potential buyers may find that the compact nature limits full-time living comfort, especially for larger families or those used to full-size RV amenities. While the modular space is clever, it can feel snug compared with traditional motorhomes, and serious overlanders might yearn for more robust suspension or additional off-grid gear. Overall, the 2026 Kia camper van feels like a thoughtful balance of everyday usability and camper convenience. It won't replace larger RVs for heavy-duty or extended off-grid use, but for weekend escapes, urban-to-nature journeys, or even remote work on the go, it strikes a compelling middle ground. In sum, Kia's new camper van blends practicality, modern technology, and clever interior design to offer a compelling choice for those seeking an affordable, easy-to-drive home on wheels. Whether you're a solo traveler, couple, or small family, it's a versatile entry not just into van life but into a more adventurous, connected way of traveling.